The project for the construction of thick bituminous blacktopping road from DDS Road to Kurona Ingti village under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY at number 21 Bokajan constituency under Bokajan subdivision was commenced on 6 March 2019. It was funded by Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India with an estimated cost of Rs 2,18,398 and with an additional maintenance cost of Rs 1,05,890. The contract for the completion of the project was assigned to East Plantation Commercial Pvt with an estimated cost of Rs 2,18,398 and with an additional maintenance cost of Rs 1,05,890. The total length of the road mentioned in the project was 2.732 kilometers. But when our correspondent inspected the site, it was found that only 2 kilometers out of the total 2.732 kilometers length of the project was completed. The remaining 732 meters seems to be deserted by the contractor of the project.
Labangso laking ko dai si mane prai laking ko dai hinian lo labangso tuar ka salami phane panongpon stame pini ni tum dak kethek long nang kahumri pen kelong la han lo labangso tuar kon ma dak ke jong pon abang mangela an ba ke jogli mavi adak 800 meter mate lapuson 700 meter hala 732 meter po bang ke avidet lo ladak kilometer hinian se laptum kam claim chor lo lapen hala 732 bang avidet lo.
Likewise, under Bokajan Legislative Assembly, there are 7 other similar projects under PMGSY assigned to East Plantation Commercial Pvt. It is a matter of great concern that if the contractor carry out the same mastery with all the projects assigned to them, undoubtedly lots of money could be saved from the estimated budget. But the question is, where is the money going?
Athema lang nitum da ko anma ka cross nangi abang ke kilometer hinian se lang nitum pulaben pen claim lo la pen lan se lang tum padoi der lo stami hala 732 meter abang ale tum claim der lo la si non nang tum apan la bangso karbiang long live channel hoi pen ante bhan paklang lo je la bangso october ko buson si la buson ke jum det mala bang ke nang tum rada tum hasini litum pachini lo alang litum pelaka dok ave lang ponon lang sai ponon la buson ko son si apong la buson paklem long ma.
The project was executed by Executive Engineer PWD Road Division Silonijan. The bill was withdrawn with clean chit despite the incompletion of the project. Hence, it is suspicious that Executive Engineer PWD Road Division Silonijan is also involved in this scam as the work was done under his supervision. Such activities are carrying out under the jurisdiction of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Therefore, the citizens are looking forward consciously over the steps and the action the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council would be doing to avoid such activity in the coming days. And if the concerned authority do not intervene into the matter as soon as possible, consequently, there is a high chance of performing more corruption within the district. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.